guys really outdone itself with this invention. Who decided dessert should be cold, sweet, and shaped like a scoop?
Probably someone who dropped their milk in the snow and said, tastes good.
Actually, that's not far off. You want the scoop, Cilo?
I have the scoop, but yes. Tell me about the origin scoop.
Okay, let's go on a chilly trip through time. Long ago in ancient China, people chilled milk and rice in snow. It was the earliest version of ice cream. Then the Persians added fruit and syrup, chili, sweet, and royal approved. Romans loved icy desserts too. They'd send runners into the mountains just to bring back snow. When Marco Polo traveled to China, he brought back recipes that inspired European frozen desserts. By the 1700s, ice cream was the fanciest treat in America. George Washington even spent a fortune on it. Ben Franklin loved it so much, he made it popular in Paris. And in the 1920s, the first ice cream trucks hit the streets, playing jingles, so that everybody knew that the treats were coming.
That's amazing. I want to thank all those inventors, especially the one who thought of sprinkles.
That was probably an accident too.
You see, history is full of sweet accidents.
You know, we should invent a new flavor. I'm thinking broccoli bubblegum blast.
That actually already exists.
And it's just as horrifying as it sounds.
Yuck.